Hi, if you're using the built-in QuickTime program to view videos on your Mac computer, it sometimes happens that a video you start, and then usually every video that you started after that one is displayed upside down. Why? Well, no one really seems to know, other though than that this is a known bug that sometimes occurs for some dumb reason. Regardless, if this happens to you, all you have to do to fix it is to completely close QuickTime, either by clicking on the QuickTime text up in the left corner and select Quit QuickTime, or by pressing Command and Q for quit. The next time you open a video, it should then display in its correct orientation. Then though, for some reason, and if you're working with videos a lot, this bug also seems to pop in every now and then. At least it does for me. So if you do have a more permanent fix than just closing QuickTime, please share it down in the comments below and I'll be sure to let everybody know. Also, if you got any other thoughts or questions, please also share them down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help with what I can. Thank you for watching. Bye.